If I had a nickel for every time someone said I don't have time to make dinner, I'd be on a beach somewhere doing nothing. But you do have time, and I'm gonna show you how to make fried rice using Bumblebee solid white albacore tuna. Start with a hot pan, a little oil, and vegetables. I'm using carrot, celery, peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Once they've softened, add cooked and cooled brown rice. And when the rice is hot, add sesame oil, a little teriyaki, some sriracha, and 2 beaten eggs. Mix well. And the heat of the rice will cook the eggs as you stir. And now we'll add Bumblebee solid white albacore tuna. And with 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugars, and only 60 calories in a half a can, this will not just be delicious, but nutritious too. Then just garnish with diced green onion and sesame seeds. And look, you got a healthy protein, lots of vegetables, whole grain brown rice, all in under 15 minutes. Now this is one fantastic dinner. Solid white albacore tuna. Only Bumblebee albacore will do.